Pat. How are you? Did I tell you about the new Serger I got? It's amazing. It's the Brother Airflow 3000, and it's got next-level jet air threading technology. You want to come see it in action? See? Faster, more efficient threading, and no more twisted, knotted threads. Check this out. It's easy to use and to change thread colors. The stitch quality is fabulous, especially on those tricky fabrics like knits and stretchy material. There's also a quick change lever for the rolled hem stitch feature. There's also a safety sensor for those times I forget to close the lid or if the presser foot isn't down. Speaking of feet, look at all these. They're all included. And that's the Brother Airflow 3000.
I love it.
Right? You've got to get one today.
Let's head over to the Brother dealer right now.